morning. My name is Budevkrit. I am currently pursuing a BTech degree from Functional School of Technology. I am currently in my second semester, and in my first semester, I have learned some programming languages like Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. So in this video, I am going to solve an easy level LeetCode problem. So let's go to the question. So I am going to solve this question. Let me first share my screen. So I'm going to solve this question. The name of the question is remove element. So the question is, given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all occurrence of val in nums in place. So in place means we have to change nums, which is given as a parameter. So the order of elements may be changed. Then return the number of element in nums which are not equal to val. So we have to return the number of element in nums which are not equal to val. It means we have to remove all the elements which is equal to val. Consider the number of element in nums which are not equal to val, k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. The first thing is change the array num such that the first k element of nums contains the element which are not equal to val. So we have to change the array nums such that element of nums contains element which are not equal to val. So that's basically what I said uh, just a little while ago. The number of elements of nums are not important as well as the size of the num. So we don't need to worry about the size of the nums and the remaining element of nums. We just have to remove all the nums from which is equal to val and return the key. So let's see the example. So we have been on the input of num, which is array 3 2 2 3 and val is 3. So the output is 2. As you can see, the number of val is 3 3 means 2 val is present. So we have the output 2, and we also have to change the nums, which is just like here. There is all the number which is equal to val is removed. So we just have to do that. So to do this, I have written a code. So in this method, we have given two parameters, nums, which is an array of integer, and val, which is an integer. And I have created a variable count and assign the value 0 to it and run a loop and initialize the loop with 0, and the loop will run until this condition is satisfied, which is until I is smaller than nums dot length, and until this condition is satisfied, the loop will run again, and each time the loop runs, the value of I will be increased by 1. And inside the loop, I have given another condition by using if statement. So if nums I is not equal to val, it means if the element of nums is not equal to val, then nums count means count. I have used count as the index of nums. So nums count. So nums I will be assigned in the value of nums count. It means the first uh, uh, count will be at first the count will be 0, and after this after assigning the value of nums to the 0 index, nums I to the 0 index, the value of count will be increased by 1, and until the this loop run again and again, and if the val is not equal to nums I, then nums I will be assigned to the value of count, nums count, and after that the value of count will be increased by 1, and after that I have returned the count, which is the number of times uh, the value is not equal to val. So first let's run this code. As you can see, it accepted our code, and if we submit it, it got submitted and beat 100% of the user with Java. So the time complexity of this code is linear, and space complexity of this code is constant. So thank you. This is all for this video.